things slowed down a little bit this week, but I got all the sheetrock finished out. Probably prime it tomorrow, not today. Today I'm kind of working on this cabinet. Let's see. It was a damn. It was full cross drawer with 2 doors, and I'm making it drawers over here and 2 doors over here. I'll have to cut down. They're over there in that pile over there, but I have to cut them down, so I'm cutting these boards to partition that off, relocate drawer slide over to here, and make drawers. And then that's a false bottom because I had to make it fit over the basement stairs. That was cut out, and then I'm going to put that in there. And yeah, if you're looking at the thumb, that was one of the reasons why I had to stop what I was doing. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far, I think. I think I should have that done this week for sure. Even the doors. Get it painted. That's what we did this week, was drywall. The other thing I need to do is I've located the shower head spout, and this is for the controls when we get them. I don't know what size to cut them yet. Yeah, this all came out pretty good. These you can tell the difference with the foam on them, and it's pretty solid. That's where I reinforced it with the 2x4 and some foam spray. So, bathroom's coming along.